Jimmy Carter update this morning being brought to you by Reynolds Roofing, Exteriors and Coating with offices in Cape Girardeau and Marion. Go with Reynolds. And good morning, Jimmy. What's the latest on Milton?
They have told the people, if you've ever gone to St. Petersburg or Madeira Beach or any of those places like that there, they've told the people who are on the beach, if you stay, you will die. Simple as that. And this storm today, if there was such a thing, would be a Category 6. There is no such thing, but it's that powerful. Now, it's going to calm down as it gets closer to the shore, which is a great, great thing. But still, Tampa has never been, if this is where it's going, Tampa's never been hit by a storm like this. Imagine standing there on the ground and water would all of a sudden go from where your foot is to 4 feet above your head.
Jeez.
That's what the storm surge will be in downtown Tampa if it comes as predicted. Now, the last storm, which was just a couple of weeks ago, flooded out the basement of the big hospital there and some other places.
Yeah.
And they don't know what this could possibly do. It's really scary for a lot of people. Disney World is really they're getting yelled at by the governor and some other people for not completely shutting down on Wednesday and Thursday. They're studying that. They may change their mind today. They're getting a lot of backlash on that because, well, you know, you've got people there that are on vacation. They don't know what to do with them, so they can't. They got to hunker them down in the hotels.
Yeah.
And so, therefore, they need employees to be able to do that. So it's a tricky situation. Legoland's closed, a lot of places like that. So we shall see. In the meantime, still trying to clean up the mess from this last one, Luke Combs and Eric Church and James Taylor have joined together for a concert at the big football stadium there where the NFL team plays, October 26th. I think it's going to sell Thursday for that. 100% of the money they raise, and it'll be a good bit, will go to the various charities that are doing fine work, Samaritan's Purse and so many others. All three of those guys, James Taylor's from Chapel Hill, Eric Church is from Granite Falls, and Luke Combs is from Asheville. And there's going to be a raffle and an auction that you might be able to participate in if you can't go to the game, but they're still working on that. Love You, Miss You, Mean It, 31st, number one hit for Luke Bryan, the other Luke. 57 career weeks at number one. He's back judging Idol. 24 billion global streams in his career. Boy, if those people got money from these streams like they should, everybody would be rich. But, you know, that doesn't mean much, the global stream. It's a nice figure, but as far as cashing in, not so much. We know that Zach Bryan, listen to this, he will not submit his music for consideration by the 2025 Grammys. He said he doesn't like music competition, and he's not going to play that game. All right? And Nicole Kidman, she's got yet another movie. This woman is so busy. The mystery thriller called Here One Moment. It's about a clairvoyant they called the Death Lady, was on a plane, and she was pointing out people, that person's going to die on February 23rd, this person's going to die. And she predicted all these people's deaths and death dates, and it's starting to happen. So one person apparently realizes, what would you do if you knew the date you were going to be gone? Boy, I don't know. That's
goodness.
Scary premise. A mystery thriller. Nicole Kidman, she picks interesting films. I know that.
She does.
She's quirky, too. She's real sweet, or she used to be. I mean, back when she was doing the Batman movie and, you know, Far and Away and Days of Thunder, I interviewed her a lot. And she was still kind of sweet and innocent, you know, but she's a powerful figure in Hollywood these days. That's for sure.
Yes, she is. Yes, she is.
Have a good Tuesday, please.
Hey, you too, Jimmy, and we will chat with you tomorrow.
See you then.
Bye-bye. That's your Jimmy Carter update this morning. It is powered by Reynolds Roofing, Exteriors and Coating with offices in Cape and Marion. Go with Reynolds.